Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful control shortcut keys from A to Z. These shortcuts can help you work faster, save time, and use your computer more easily. So watch the video until the end, because at the end, I will tell you the most important shortcut keys you should remember first. But before start, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. First shortcut, Ctrl A. It means select all. Ctrl B, bold text. Ctrl C, copy. Ctrl D, bookmark page, font dialog in some apps like Excel and Word. Ctrl E, center align text, search bar in some apps. Ctrl F, find or search. Ctrl G, go to. Ctrl H, replace or history in browser. Ctrl I, italic text. Ctrl J, justify text or downloads in browser. Ctrl K, insert hyperlink. Ctrl L, select address bar or align left in some apps. Ctrl M, increase indent. Ctrl N, new document or new window. Ctrl O, open file. Ctrl P, print. Ctrl Q, remove paragraph formatting or quit in some apps. Ctrl R, align right, refresh in browser. Ctrl S, save. Ctrl T, new tab. Ctrl U, underline text. Ctrl V, paste. Ctrl W, close tab or close document. Ctrl X, cut. Ctrl Y, redo. Ctrl Z, undo. Now it's time to tell you most important control shortcuts you should remember. Ctrl A, select all. Ctrl C, copy. Ctrl V, paste. Ctrl X, cut. Ctrl S, save. Ctrl Z, undo. Ctrl P, print. That's all.